Hi there, students. Yeoman, yeoman. As a Brit, when I hear this word yeoman, the first thing I think of is yeoman of the guard. Um, this is a group of a military group who are in charge of looking after the royal household. Yeah, they are soldiers of the king and his family. Um, I guess you could also use this word talking about somebody who does really good service, somebody who has been loyal and has worked very hard for something. So he did yeoman service for our cause. So to do, to give, to provide yeoman service. So I hope my channel has done yeoman service for your English. Yeah. Um, I think in the US you could use a yeoman as well to talk about somebody who is a stalwart worker, somebody who's dependable, loyal. They've done great service over a very long time. I think in British English he's a yeoman. I wouldn't use it like that in British English. Um, Okay, also, there is actually a navy rank, a yeoman. A yeoman is a petty officer, a low officer, who normally nowadays I think is in charge of signals. But let's look at the history of this word because this word's got quite an interesting history. A yeoman originally was somebody who owned land and cultivated that land. And this is a freeman, somebody who is free, who they are not a serf. Then a yeoman started to become a rank within chivalry, I think between a page and a squire. And then when the House of Commons was reorganised, firstly, votes were only given to free men, to freeholders, to people who owned land, and a yeoman had a right to vote. Okay, so that was why it was important, and then the position of yeoman continued like that. It was somebody who is below landed gentry, but above a husbandman who was a small landowner. I think a yeoman, it also depended on how much land this person owned. Okay, so yeoman service, to give yeoman service. Notice yeoman here is being used as a modifier to give good, loyal, stalwart service to a company, to a cause, to a team as well. And I think that's the way you want to use it. This also reminds me of call out the yeoman of the guard, the castle is being attacked. So these are effectively a military group who are in charge of the safety of the king and the king's family, the royal family. Formality. To do yeoman service, because I would only recommend you use it like this. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, maybe 6.5, using a semi-formal conversation or above. And then as to origin, there's an old English word, Yeoman, yeah, which probably comes from Old Frisian, gaman, a villager. But there's also the suggestion that it comes from young man. I don't know. So, Yeoman, somebody who is very loyal and does stalwart service. They're always very helpful. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Yeoman.